Okay, hello. Today I'm going to show you how to do a monkey head glass. First we go to shading. It's F5. We choose here a monkey heads. It's not like glass at the moment. Okay, and here we choose ray mirror and ray transp. Ray mirror have to be set to like this. Now let's put some depth. See, it's more like glassy. Now we put ERQ like this. Now we put the alpha here and it's ready. Now press F12. It's not good here to look. I put like this. It's loading. Let's wait a second. Loading. But okay, you got the point how to do it, and then just render it. It's very easy to do that. Okay, see ya YouTube.